Hello everyone, let us solve this problem. This is from the chapter quadratic equations and exercise 4.3. We have to find the nature of the roots of this equation, and if they exist, we have to find the roots. Okay, first of all, how can we find the nature of the roots? This is the equation. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, now here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 3 by comparing all the terms. So nature of the roots, what is the formula? Discriminant b square minus 4ac is called discriminant is equal to b square minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a is 2, c is 3, that is 36 minus 24. Okay, this will be 12. So 12, so it is a positive number, therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 12, which is greater than 0. So the roots are real and distinct. Okay, so now we have to find the roots. What is the formula for roots? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, that is equal to, what is b? B is minus 6, so minus of minus 6 plus or minus root of, this is 12 divided by 2 into a is 2, minus of minus into minus plus 6 plus or minus root of, we can write 12 as 4 into 3 divided by 4, 2 into 4, 2, 4. Now that is equal to 6 plus or minus, this can be written as 2 root 3 divided by 4. Okay, because square root of 4 is 2, so take 2 outside of the square root, we'll get 3. So 2 root 3, that is taking 2 common from numerator, 2 into 3 plus or minus root 3 divided by 4. Okay, 2, 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are. So the roots will be 3 plus root 3 by 2 and 3 minus root 3 by 2. So these are the roots. Okay. This question is of two parts. First of all, we found the nature of the roots. That is, roots are real and distinct, and we have to find the roots. So roots we got as this one. Okay. I hope you all understood this problem. If any doubts are there, then you can ask me in comment section. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.